Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and I welcome you to this new video. As I am recording this video, it is the day of Diwali. I hope may God bless you with many wonderful gifts this Diwali. I hope this year has brought you many achievements. I pray to God that in the coming year, during the next Diwali, you have even more beautiful visions of Goddess Lakshmi. May you achieve great fame and become popular all over the world. So friends, now let's get to today's video topic. Today I am going to tell you that Waves' VComp is available for free from November 1 to November 9th. I will explain how it works and how to download it in the video. Before that, I want to let you know that Christmas time is coming and many companies that create plugins offer significant discounts on their plugins or even make some available for free. I will be telling you about the plugins that I find good among those options, especially if there are good discounts or if they are available for free. To ensure you don't miss out on these offers, you need to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my videos related to this Christmas offer. Remember, any discounts or free plugins are available for a limited time, so make sure you don't miss out. As soon as I receive any information, I will create a video. Now let's talk about the Waves VComp compressor. This is a type of compressor that we mostly use for compression. Just understand compression. Multiple instruments come into one mixer and there we can use the VComp. This is an unlock type plugin created under Waves V series. I will not provide the Twitter link for this plugin in this video. I will just explain how you can download it for free. I have provided a link in the comment section, and if you click on it, you will see the screen I have shown. There, you need to click on Get VComp Free. Before this, please ensure that you are logged into your Waves account. Otherwise, it will prompt you to log in. Okay, you need to log into your account on the official site. Here, you just have to click, and it will be added to your account. Keep in mind that this offer is only available between November 1st and 9. So if you are watching this video after that time, you will not be able to get this plugin for free. That's why I said to pay close attention to my upcoming videos as they will have such offers. Consider this week as the time when the offer is available. So those who are watching this video this week will have already received this plugin for free. So congratulations friends, you must have taken this plugin for free. This plugin generally costs $35, so you will save $35. I won't make the video too long. I will just end my speech here and see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.